Jesus Christ, hold my breath. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, boy. Oh. Hey brother, where have you been all my life? Your eyes were rolling back like I thought you were having a seizure. You're like, whoa! Oh. I scared him! Oh shit! One question, how long have you had your hand like that? Oh! Oh my god, yo, that's not even funny, man. I thought you broke it. Can you do me a favor, right? Can you go like whip, then pop it out? Please. Yes. No, you gotta go again. There you go.
You are doing the same sound, man.
I'm sorry.
Are you a porn star or what?
Maybe. Yeah, check me out on Pornstar. They call me Big Black Lloyd. Yeah, hook me up. If you want to do a scene, yeah, I can do it for free for you because you're cool. Yeah, you know what I'm saying. Yeah, you into it? Ah, you like, alright. Shit, are you serious? Okay. So can you replay the start again? The little start bit.
Sorry.
Don't you laugh. Don't you laugh. It's not funny. Thank you. I'm gonna pop some tags. Only got $20 in my pocket.
Yeah. Looking for a come up. This is free.
Awesome. Hey! Another one bites the dust. Another one bites and another one. Another one bites the dust. Yo, what's up?
Not much, bro. Dude, what's your channel?
What? I can't do anything. Jesus Christ. It's called a Black Guy TV.
This is the best name I've heard ever.
Thank you very much. No spaces. Thank you. Someone appreciates the name of my channel. Thank you.
Ah.
You want?
I'm gonna subscribe to you, just not because of the commentary you make, but because of the name.
Hey, Dad.
Hey, son.
How's it going?
It's not too bad, you.
You look familiar.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
No, I don't.
You definitely do.
I definitely don't.
You know what I rarely see
Oh.
is a black guy with a British accent. Cause like here in America, they're all like, "Hey, what up, fam? Hey, you finna get into those Tims,
yeah.
dude?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, boy. I'm finna do that shit."
Nah, bruh, that shit is amazing, bruh.
It just doesn't sound the same with a British accent. It makes you sound like, "I want my tea and crumpets." I'm gonna sub to you, and you should like say a code word so I know that I affected your next video. Alright, you should say, Bush did 9/11 and it was an inside job.
I am not. I am not
Put it in your next
saying.
video. Put it in your next video.
Nope.
Okay, as like the intro. Okay, so here's what you gotta do. Just have the camera like zooming in on your face.
Yeah.
And then you're like, I need to tell you something. And be like, Bush did 9/11. It was an inside job. They found thermite at ground zero. How do you explain Building 7 falling down? You can't. So just be like that. But like, except the camera's zooming in on you. It'll be okay. You will get instantly famous, and you can like give me half all the money that you get from that shit.
How about no?